Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Chirag from CJTalk. Today we're gonna talk about one of the most important things, the things which people come from India and wanted to get it here is the SSN. Yeah, the SSN is very essential over here. Like if you wanted to apply for the credit cards or even you wanted to take the health insurance from out apart from the university health insurance, then it will be a very helpful tool to do that. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get an SSN from the scratch from this. So if you wanted to know, please stay tuned. You will get a lot of useful information which will be very helpful in the future. So stay tuned. So basically there are three steps in order to get an SSN. The first step is the job. You need to have an on-campus job, and in order to get an on-campus job there are the various resources, and I'm gonna make a separate video about that, like how to approach, how to go, how to search for on-campus job, what are the things you should keep in mind in order to get an on-campus job. But the first most key point is that there should be only 20-hour maximum you can work on campus. That's the key thing. Otherwise, if you are working more than a 20-hour job, then it will be a very difficult. It will disbalance your visa status. So the first step is to get an on-campus job. The second thing is you need to if you have already got an job on campus, then the second thing is that you need to get the employment verification form. The employment verification form I will attach of how it looks like in my description. The verification form over there, you can see how it looks like. Once you get an on-campus job, there will be all the employment details that should be filled in that particular form. Once you have got all the details, it will be fully filled by the employer itself. You don't have to bother about anything. You just need to give your employer that form, and he's gonna fill it for you. So once your employment verification form has been done, then the third step, which is the very important step, that you need to send that employment verification form to the Swift Center. Now what is Swift Center is? The Swift Center here in UTA is the center where if you wanted to go from US to India, then also there should be an updated I-20, all those stuffs, all the visa status related stuff has been controlled by the Swift Center. So the employment verification form should also be attested by the Swift Center itself. So once you get the form attested by the Swift Center, then the third step, which is you need to book an appointment. Yeah, what is the third step? You need to book an appointment at SSN, nearest SSN office. Here in UTA, the nearest SSN center is at Grand Prairie. Now what is the current situation is during this pandemic state of COVID-19, you need to book it online, or you can just call them. When they just pick up your call, they're gonna ask your details, like the basic details, your name, phone number, and your university name. That's it. Once they got all your details from you, then they're gonna call you back in order to verify all those details of you, and they're gonna give you an appointment slot that when you will be free. So once you receive the call from them, you're gonna just book the time and the date and whenever you have been available. And once you have been booked your appointment, you need to go to their office, which is at Grand Prairie, and there you need to bring your I-94, your employment verification form, your I-20, your passport. That's it. These are the things that you need to carry while you are going to that SSN office. Once you have submitted all these documents over the SSN office, then they're gonna give you a receipt that that they have already collected all the documents, and your SSN will be posted to your particular address within 14 days. Yeah. So here it is how you're gonna apply for the SSN when you have been here the first time, because this is very basic things that people use. They don't know when they are an international student, actually got these information from the people. So I'm putting this video so that everyone will be beneficial, that if they got the job on campus, then how they need to proceed further in order to get the SSN. Now I would also prepare a video like what are the resources, what are the things you should know while you are applying for the on-campus job. So hope you like this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up, and I will be back with the new video with the new stuff. Till then, goodbye and alvida.